Hey everyone! If you've been following me for a while, you know besides my fish tank obsession, I'm also low-key in love with ornamental chicken. Problem is every time my wife walks past my chicken corner, she gives me the look and says it's a total mess. So today, I called in my trusty best bud to help me build a new chicken coop. Gotta feed the passion and earn those husband points, you know what I mean? Let me introduce you to the prime corner I picked for this epic chicken coop. First up, we measure and do some serious calculations to get the coop dimensions just right. Laying these bricks nice and straight, smoothing out that cement. Then, let's smooth out the floor with cement. Now, looking at this setup, you're probably scratching your heads, wondering what this chicken coop is gonna look like, right? Don't worry, just keep watching. Now to the fun part, turning leftover wood into the coop frame and roof. We're slapping these bamboo slats around the frame for the walls and making a nice little floor for the chicken to strut on. Recycled some plastic panels into fancy little egg, laying sweets for the hens. Once the coop's done, we dropped it into place. But looking at it now, it seems a little cramped, don't you think? So, let's build own chicken playground. Built the outdoor run with some good OL DIY woodwork magic. Then, coat the PU layer to protect it those pesky termites. Wrapped it all up in steel mesh to keep out predators, and added a cute little coop door. Finally, added a splash of white paint on the front boxes. The coop and run are done, but I bet you're wondering, what are these two little white boxes for? Stay tuned for the twist. My wife's a garden girl, so I'm turning these boxes into a mini veggie garden. Feed my chicken passion and make the wife happy? One build, double win. Next up, decorating around the coop and some nice comfy straw for the chicken floor. Keeps things clean and their feet warm. And there is our masterpiece, a chicken coop with built-in mini veggie garden. Now, for the moment we've all been waiting for, time to move the chickens into their new house. One by one, we gently let the chicken explore their new house. My wife is over the moon. Fresh veggies and fresh eggs every morning. If you're looking to score some major points with your significant other, you might just want to give this a try. Thanks for hanging out and watching the video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and most importantly, hit that subscribe button to get notifications for more awesome DIY ideas. Goodbye for now, and I'll see you in the next video.